Hello everyone, so today I would like to present my paper on FIQ conference. So my paper is a comparison of deep learning methodology for predicting palm oil trees. My name is Raudlah Hawin Ayani. I'm create this paper with Astrid Kalista and also Mulyanto. We are from Ikatan Surveyor Indonesia. The background. Indonesia is the largest country of palm oil production in the world. According to the Central Statistic Agency 2020, Indonesia CPO crude palm oil production reached 44.8 million tons. In optimizing palm oil tree counting fastly and efficiently, it is necessary to develop artificial intelligence for spatial analysis support. Artificial intelligence, or QAI, is the technology to support palm oil tree counting by learning from data training in machines and automatically detecting the object. The effectiveness of deep learning use pattern classification technique in machine learning method. The optical image must train from a deep learning model using image classification, object detection such as labeling, location prediction, object detection, and image segmentation or specific pixel on the object. So this is the example how the deep learning can identify the object. So the deep learning, in this paper, we are comparison the fast RCNN, YOLO, RetinaNet, and also SSD methodology for palm oil tree counting. So first we are discuss fast RCNN methodology. So the fast RCNN methodology is a convolutional neural network are distinguished from other neural network by their superior performance with image. They have three basic components to define a basic convolutional neural network. RCNN or region with CNN future is an object detection model that use high capacity CNNs to bottom up region proposal in the order to localize and segment object. It is use selective search to identify some bounding box, object region candidate, or region of interest, and then extract the future from each region for the classification. Fast RCNN actually equals with RCNN, but they only detect the deep learning only region of interest, so more fast than CNN. Next is deep learning YOLO. So YOLO or you only look once is an object detection algorithm using a complete image. In YOLO, a single convolutional network predicts the bounding box and the class probabilities. YOLO works by taking a full input image and splitting into an n times n grid. Within the each of the grid, we take m bounding box. For each bounding box, the network output a class probability and offset value for the bounding box. The bounding box have the class probability above a threshold value selected and are used to locate the object within the image. So this is the how YOLO can detect the image. YOLO only detect the image only one times, different with RCNN. RCNN, they also iteration the image more than YOLO because YOLO only one times. In this image, YOLO can identify which one dog, which one bicycle, and which one the car. Next is deep learning SSD. SSD, single shoot multiple detector, is an object detection model which detect the object is in a single pass over the input image. Single shoot multi-box detector is based on the use convolutional network that produce multiple bounding box of various fixed size and score. The presence of the object class intends in those boxes, followed by a non-maximum suppression step to produce the final detection. Each input image is divided to grids of various size, and each grid the detection is performed for different class and different aspect ratios. The SSD methodology actually the combination RCNN and YOLO. So they also have the iteration, but they detect the object only one times. Next is deep learning RetinaNet. So the RetinaNet is a single unified network consists of a major backbone network and two task specific subnetwork. The backbone is responsible for computing convolutional feature maps over the entire input image, and it is an off-the-shelf convolutional network. The first subnet performs classification on the backbone output. The second subnet perform convolutional bound regression. So the data for this paper located in central Kalimantan, Indonesia. We using the imagery and was acquisition by DJI Phantom 4 multispectral. The spatial resolution of raw image is 5 centimeters. The deep learning was processed by ArcGIS Pro software. Next is the methodology. So first, acquisition the data using the drone DJI Phantom 4, and next we are data processing orthophoto using Agisoft Metashape, and next we are tree counting using the deep learning object based using the ArcGIS Pro. The deep learning, the algorithm deep learning also generated by ArcGIS Pro automatically. Next, we create the data training, and we create the deep learning modeling using single shoot detector, RetinaNet, YOLO version 3, and also faster RCNN. So all of them are object detection. And we are comparison with the field data to check are the methodology are support in palm oil tree counting or not. And next, the result of accuracy overall is more than 0.5 and done. And you can see in the left image, it is the counting manually as field data. Okay, so this is the example of deep learning model. The deep learning has an architecture for each method to process a system for training, and the training can continuously to improve the model. So for image A, it is example output of faster RCNN, B is YOLO version 3, C is single shoot detect, and D is RetinaNet. Okay, so next is the result. So the result of faster CNN is 3,666. Comparison to the field data only 1,667. So the deviation faster CNN is 1,999. So YOLO, the result of country deep learning is 7,739. So the deviation is 6,072. Next is single shoot detector. So the result of count of tree deep learning for SSD is 1,650, and the deviation only 17. Next is RetinaNet. The result is 1,848, So the deviation is 181. So the confidence threshold for faster CNN is 0.5, YOLO versi 3 is 0.5, SSD is 0.73, and the Retina Net is 0.74. So the result is the training data do not represent manual counting because the backbone model of the YOLO versi 3 is darknet 53, while the other backbone models are ResNet. However, the YOLO versi 3 method is more suitable for object detection through gaps between planes. The other backbone model in the form of ResNet is SSD, and the value of the trained data is higher than validation value, then the value overlap. This model represents the close result between training data to data validation. The SSD model can facilitate palm oil tree modeling with high accuracy result. The conclusion is the tree counting manually as validation data is 1,667. So the result tree counting like this, and so we can understand the SSD method, the algorithm of SSD method in ArcGIS Pro for tree counting method is approached the reliability of field data which different only 17 palm trees. The confidence level of SSD method is 0.73. In statistically can be state 73%. So SSD method is good to tree counting compare the others deep learning methodology. So thank you for your attention and bye-bye.